Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a contact shortcut to the home screen on the Google Pixel 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the dialer app. Now here we want to click on those three lines and select contacts. After that, select the contact that you want to put on the home screen. So for me, it will be Amy Star. Now here, let's scroll a bit down until we see contact settings, and here we need to click on add to home screen. Now let's click add to home screen, and as you guys can see, this contact has been added right here. So now we can easily text this number or call it, but I don't have a SIM card. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.